Welcome guys, this is Moiben Kenya, and time now is 34 minutes past 1. Yeah, I'm just from Nairobi, and since you people are my people, I need to show you around the village. If you're new, please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. Let's go. So guys, we are almost at the farm. So this is an avocado. Yeah, it's really growing, very healthy. Yep. And then I have there is a borehole here. There is a lot of water, as you can see. Inside. This is a pump. I have a pump here, so it pumps water. That's a power cable, and then this one is a pipe that pumps water. Yeah. Yeah. So welcome to Moiben, guys. So the last time I was here, I was in this farm, as you can see. Yeah. So the last time I was here, we had some kales, had planted some beans, but it had not matured. So, but as for now, let me show you. Here are some of the kales, as you can see. See, they're not, needs to be slashed, and then others are planted. Yeah, I don't know the name of this nini, but it's called saga. And then we had some kales over there, but you can see I replaced them with some maize, which are almost ready. As you can see, although they are not that good because the weather this year is not that good. So you can see all here I grew the maize after I replaced them with the kales. You can see there are some here. Yeah. so here, over here, we had beans. We had some beans, but they were removed. Yeah, they were harvested, I mean. You can see. So I don't know what is here. As you can see, there is something that has been planted, but I'm not so sure. Yeah. And then there is the other time I showed you about this napier. You can see, I think my sheep usually sneak in through somewhere in this fence, and then they feed on it. That's why it's not in good state. Yeah, and then you can see there's some bananas here, but again not in good state because I don't know the problem. You can see the other one there, that one. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, so farming is never easy. It needs patience, and I think these days farming is like gambling because the weather patterns have really changed, so you find it hard to predict the correct time to plant. So you just leave them to the Lord, because He is the one who knows. Yeah guys, so that's much that I can show you. You can see there is nothing much. The weather is not that good. Yeah. And then there is this cow shed, I know some people will ask the cost. You can see it can accommodate like 12 cows. You can see we have some electricity there, meaning the cows can eat 24 hours 7 days a week. Yeah, so as you can see, to construct something like this, you will need roughly like $700 to $800, because you will need to, you can see there is some concrete there. Okay, let me go inside and show you. So guys, I am in my cow sheds, as you can see. So I need to show you one by one, so that for those who are planning to get a structure like this, you can reach out. Yeah, so you can see one of the sheds. Let me show you from from this side, where there is a lot of stones here, although for now it's not in good state, because I transferred my cows. So you can see this is one cow feeds from here. So you can see this manger. Yeah, so you can see it's not bad. Yeah, so for those who need a structure like this, please reach out to me. Yeah, and you can see I have one indigenous tree here. Whoever knows the name, please comment down there. Yeah, I don't know the name of this tree, but I'll need to do some research. And then there is a bird. You can see the nest, a very big one. Yeah. So guys, so I want to take you to the main cornfield. Yeah, although this year the production will be low, simply because we've been having very funny weather patterns. Yeah, and then here, this is where my sheep usually stay. You can see, although it's now becoming old, it needs some cleanup. You can see. Yeah, so I have roughly like 25 of them. Yeah, and the problem with sheep, the sheep, when it rains, their health deteriorates, simply because they don't like eating like grass. You see, grass that has a lot of water, it makes them diarrhea. So you find them, they are not in good state. But for now, you can see from all over there, you can see they are feeding slowly. Yeah, so that's how our home is. So let's now go to the main farm, not far from our home. So guys, as you can see, I'm from that end. I'm heading all the way there. All this is you can see the main cornfield. Yeah, so as I said earlier, this year the production will not meet the standard, simply because of the funny weather patterns. This year, okay, in Moiben, Wasingishu County, usually farmers start planting as early as from late March or early April, but surprisingly this year the rain started as early as February, so most of the farmers were found unprepared. Usually on February is the time people plow, some land preparation, but this year we were caught off guard. That's why the production is not that good. As you can see from here, let me just go in. This is typical gate in an African home. Yeah. So you just open this way. Yeah. So at some point I decided to utilize this farm. You can see there is a lot of napier all the way along this fence, because this is how do I call? This is one terrace. This is the other terrace. You see, so you can see this maize. They are still young. Not here. How should I call it? Okay, let's go inside. You can see these leaves. These leaves looks dry, but it's not that. Okay, it became dry because of the. Let me turn the camera. Yeah, guys. So these leaves dried up because of the lack of rains. That's why you see this. We have very small maize production. I mean, it's tough. The economy is really not good on our side as farmers. How I wish the government sees this and do something. You can see, you can see. This is one of the maize still growing, but normally for us maize like this, it should be two. You can see this one and there is another one small here. So but you can see as this year each stalk of maize produces one maize comb. That's not, things will be very difficult, because you find for us as farmers, we highly depend on maize for our livelihood, paying school fees, all sorts of nini, because it pays all our bills. So and we have, okay, we rear cows, but you can see we are large scale farmers. So if the weather fails us, we are doomed. You can see. They are not good, guys. So we really pray to God hopefully the government will at least raise the prices per sack, per 90 kilograms, so that it compensates the lost maize. Yeah, hopefully everything will be fine. Yeah, so guys, I think we should end our video here. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe, share, you also comment. Yeah, and also don't forget to turn on the notification button so that each time I post a video you get the notification. Yeah, so until next time, adios.